Okay, it's very important when you dance for the reasons of beauty and aesthetic look to always brush as your one foot passing another one. So wherever you go, look at this foot. Always there is a touch, 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 touch. There is a sense of tightness between your legs because you don't want to have those legs, to be open. But the problem is when you dance with music in a fast tempo, you don't have time for this to brush. So basically what happens, of course, you do your rotation, you step so fast that there is no time for these legs to be brushed. So for this solution, you need to learn how to stretch your legs. If you stretch your legs, pull them apart, you will have a little bit time, even on the very, very fast music, to be able to brush your legs. So what it means brush, you see this red I have here? So your knee should touch here, here, your calf muscle touch, then your toe brushing, touching the heel, here touching the middle of the foot, touching the toe, and only then moving forward. So that should be in every step, in every dance. So we don't have any steps like this. So I'll teach you how to do it on the fast tempo music. So you have to buy yourself a little time by stretching legs. So let's say you arrive over your foot, hip bone over the foot, you have a beautiful body, beautiful posture, tummy in, chest forward, the same thing. Now, as you change pendulum here, and there is a little bit relaxation, you have to start to bend this back knee here and to have this triangle. And now take a look here. On the standing leg, you already have to start pushing that left knee back. And as you're pushing back, there is a sense of stretching those legs. This leg go back, this leg go forward. So now you actually bought yourself a little time to feel that brushing effect. So until foot gets here, you feel like a Robin Hood. Those legs are being pulled apart. So in fast music, if you will able to feel that stretchiness here, you will have time actually to brush, which is very, very, very important. Brush, brush, brush. And from here, you see your leg will straight. It will still stretch, 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 just going forward. But the second the heel touches the ground, you have to already put your hip over that foot. And actually, this is the lightest moment here. So there's not much stretching here. You can still, of course, work your back leg, but that's actually just being positioned on the leg. But the moment you change that pendulum and this knee bends, you see, I'm already connecting my knee to another knee, having this triangle position with the heel pointing down. And here already, this my right foot, now my right leg, like somebody pulling it back. You stretch, 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 stretch. So if you stretch it, you'll have time for the brushing to happen. Then walk. Brush, 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 walk. Brush, 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 walk. So if you stretch your legs, you will have time to brush. The same for the backward. So let's say I arrive here over the leg, pendulum, beautiful posture, foot pointed, good. But now, as I going back, I need to be able to pass through that brushingness. So how to do it? So I'm not gonna start with my free leg. I will always start pushing this leg back, like somebody pull it back. So you're gonna stretch two legs apart, push, 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 push. And now at this moment, you see when this knee bends, you feel like this leg is not really straight, it's over straight. Pulling, pulling, pulling back. So now you bought yourself a little bit time for this foot to actually touch your other foot, touch the heel, calf muscle touch, knee touch. And moment your knee touch together, already start changing this pendulum behind and gradually transfer weight. And now from here again, if you're gonna stretch your legs apart, you will always have time to brush your legs. Womb, 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 womb. So brushing legs and stretching legs is very important as they actually help each other. If you stretch legs apart, you will always have a nice brush.